Namaste, bonjour and hello. I'm Paradhi Bhanot and I'm currently standing in the heart of Paris just by the River Seine, which is hosting the parade of athletes for the opening ceremony of the Paris 2024 Summer Olympics. The opening ceremony by the Seine out here under the open sky is the first in Olympics history. Most opening ceremonies have historically taken place inside a stadium, but not this one. This is what Paris looks like right now. Take a look. There are about 10,500 athletes on open boats representing 205 national delegations. The boats traverse a 6-kilometer route which ends ultimately at Trocadero near the Eiffel Tower. The weather, as you can see, is cloudy, it's raining, but this most certainly has not cast any shadow on the enthusiasm of athletes in the French capital.
I'm Bandhini Sharma and I am part of the athletes family actually. My brother Shubhankar Sharma is representing India in the Olympics as a golf athlete. So we're here, it's our first time in Paris. This is my dad, my papa and mama, and we're very happy to be here.
And could you tell me a little bit more about your brother and what sport he plays?
They're very excited over here. My brother plays golf. He's currently the leading Indian golfer in the world, and he has essentially done quite a lot in the field. So should I speak about? I will speak about it. Okay. So last year we got the highest ever finish in the British Open that India has ever had in history. We came 8th. And then my brother has won titles in 2018 for Maybank and Joburg. These two championships were really great. And then him and the whole contingent from Chandigarh has come this time to represent in men's golf. So that's my brother, that's Jesse Grewal, the coach. Gaganjeet And there's a whole big team from India this time. So we're all very happy to be here.
And now, how do you feel about your son being a part of the contingent in Paris?
It's a dream come true. I would say very happy to be here, and I wish all athletes good luck. The Indian contingent, the very best of everything. And, we were in Scotland. We performed the Open very well, and from there we are here.
Now, let's talk about the Indian delegation. The 117 member strong Indian delegation is led by badminton champ PV Sindhu and table tennis star Sharath Kamal tonight. Hopes are also riding high on Neeraj Chopra, who won a gold medal in the men's javelin throw at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics.
Right now we are here to get the vibe of opening ceremony of Olympics. So it's a great opportunity to see something and see the city, run together and get a vibe together on this day. And we are lucky enough to witness this day when we are in Paris.
Nothing in particular, just we are here for the vibes. We have not bought the tickets. Unfortunately, we didn't get time or we didn't get opportunity to buy the tickets. But yeah, we are here just to follow the vibes.
It's really great. I mean, what we are looking around, the people, the excitement that we are seeing here, like people have actually, on this rainy day, people have actually come out of their, houses to actually see, even if they don't have tickets, we are seeing they are walking around on the roads. So it's an amazing vibe,
Enjoying
and
the
that is
weather.
and despite of such a rainy day, exactly.
Yeah,
So-
normal Paris weather.
Yeah, normal Parisian weather. So it's great seeing people, and yeah, we are just going with the flow.
PV Sindhu, we are looking for winning the gold with her and Neeraj Chopra. Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll follow that.
Few sports we follow, not all.
Maybe a gold medal in wrestling. Let's see.
Yeah.
Paris has been a busy city to be in and not one without its inconveniences, as it is barricaded for the Olympic Games at multiple major intersections across the capital. The security deployment is also robust. There are about 45,000 police personnel and over 10,000 soldiers by the 6-kilometer stretch of the Seine. A 150-kilometer radius around Paris has become a no-fly zone starting 6:30 p.m. local time, an hour before the opening ceremony began. The Olympics go on for the next 16 days, and we are going to be here in Paris to bring you all of the latest. For One India News, this is Paridhi Bhanod reporting from Paris.
Don't miss out. Follow One India for real-time updates.